104.9 The Surf, Low Country's greatest hits, Van Morrison. There's an Irish guy with Irish days coming up. You know, St. Patrick's Day. Ooh, everybody's in St. Patrick's Day mode. How about you, Benji? You ready for St. Patrick's Day?
Broker's ready for St. Patrick's Day, but you won't see me over on River Street. I still have skid marks over there from a long time ago, TBone.
Yes,
but, hey,
sir.
Love it. Looks like a good time this year. It looks like they're going to have some pretty good weather this year, too. But, hey, Big Mortgage Minute this week. You know, we've had some great rates, TBone, but rates continue to climb just a little bit. So we told you to lock in your rate. Be smart. Lock it in. A lot of people did that, and they're taking advantage of it. So lots of buying power was saved with our advice of locking in those rates, because we're about 1/4 to 0.3% higher. Markets are real volatile right now too, T-Bone. So we could see a little higher rate short term, but you don't know what's going to happen with the markets right now. So gas prices, mortgage rates, everything's kind of moving around, but we still have good rates. So take advantage of them. Don't let these things get away from you like they did about a year and a half ago. We had about a point and a half increase in rates with some volatility. I don't think that's going to happen right now. I think we're going to settle down a little bit. We will start trending lower, but if you're looking to do something right now, and you got to do something right now, lock that rate in. Don't let them move on you.
Yes, sir. I'll tell you what, you need to make this phone call, and we'll speak to Benji again here in a sec. 843-524-2404. He's going to save you, him and his team, going to save you a ton of money.
Let's give you the rundown real quick, T-Bone. And real quick, before I give you the rundown, yesterday, late in the afternoon, the ad was running on the surf. We had a veteran working with 3 other companies, been turned down a couple other times, and he called us off the ad. Easy loan. Not even sure why these companies couldn't do them. VA loan over in Hilton Head. We're going to hook him up. We're going to get him closed there. No problem. Already got him pre-approved. But, hey, the VA loan's a little higher this week. Been all the way down to 4.99 on the VA IRRRL. It's at 5.3 today. The VA purchase is at 5.5, 5.6. So a little higher, not too bad. But VA loans are the best on the board right now. FHA 100%, USDA 5.6 to 5.7%. 30-year conventional climbing back up around 6%, maybe 5.99. So not too bad. We've had some conventional loans down in the mid-5s. Those are really attractive, but higher rates across the board there, that can be the difference between you qualifying, not qualifying, or refinancing and refinancing. T-Bone, 0.5%, that might be the difference in you saving money on the refinance. So give our team a call. We'll price it out. We're going to design that loan for you and make sure that you're going to benefit from the refinance. Definitely give you some more buying power on that purchase.
All right, you got some good news to share with us, right?
I can't wait, T-Bone. I'm so proud of my wife, Christina. She passed her real estate exam, and 1 week she got her first buyer over in Bluffton, first-time home buyer. They went under contract last night, so they showed this townhome. She fell in love with it, Ashley. I'm so happy for Ashley over there. We're getting the loan as well. So it's going to be a great team effort, and she's guided by the best in the business, which is my mom, Kathy. So Kathy's training Christy, and they're out there making things happen. We got a first-time home buyer under contract, and it's a USDA loan. And if we don't talk too much about USDA loans, but that is the 100% financing for civilians. And we have a lot of veterans that do want, USDA loans as well, but 100% financing, to get the seller to pay closing costs, it can be a no-money down transaction just like the VA. So those are great first-time home buyers programs, and we do a lot of them. USDA loans, great. So congratulations to Ashley. Looking forward to closing that one, and congratulations to my wife, Christina, for her first deal in 1 week. So looking forward to big things out of her. But, hey, market conditions are real volatile right now. T-Bone, they're bouncing all over the place. Just give us a call, and when you're shopping your rate, you want to make sure that you call the bank or mortgage company the next day and check them out. That rate is not good for 3 or 4 days right now. Rates are changing 3, 4, 5 times a day. So pay attention to that. We're quoting rates, and they're really only good for about 3 or 4 hours with the market condition.
All right. Well, you got the dynamic duo and your mom and your wife, so congratulations them two. Thanks for all you do, my friend. We'll talk at you next week, okay?
Be safe, everybody.